Hello and welcome to the Kingdom YouTube channel. My name is The Slim Bim. In this video, we're going to be going over how to create a realistic and weathered effect for graphics and text in Photoshop CC. The effect can be applied to any surface, but for this video, we'll be using a picture of a rusted metal wall. To begin, you will open up your rusted texture as a Photoshop document. Now, if you were to create a blank document, then resize the texture to fit it, you would lose a significant amount of detail. You can find the link to the rusted texture we're using in this image in the video description and in the pinned comment below. Next, we'll drag our graphic or text that we wish to apply to the effect. Make sure the image is a PNG file and has no background color, like our retro Pepsi logo. Otherwise, the effect will be applied to everything and in result, a visually unpleasing graphic or text. Make sure your logo fits inside the size requirements of your texture. To do so, press Ctrl-T on your PC or Command-T if you're on a Mac to resize the graphic or text to fit within the texture. Make sure to center your graphic as well. You'll know when it is centered when both pink horizontal and vertical lines appear.
Forever, and so we got to be responsible for our actions.
Next, let's hide our graphic by clicking the eye to the top left of it. Then, once you've done this, go to the Channels section of the Layer tab and select the channel with the most contrast. Now, depending on the image you use, the channel with the most contrast will vary. Since our image has a lot of blue in it, the blue channel has the most contrast. Once you've found the channel with the most contrast, click and drag it to the new layer icon. Now, let's increase the contrast even more by changing its level of contrast using Ctrl-L or Command-L. Now, drag the far left arrow to the right until the darkest tones are black. Then drag the far right arrow to the left until the lightest tones are almost white. Control-click or command-click the thumbnail of our newly edited layer to make a quick selection of all the tones. Then click the RGB channel. Go back to the Layers panel, make the graphic visible once more, and with your graphic or text layer, click the mask icon. You should immediately see a difference in your graphic or text with a newly weathered effect applied above it. You can find the file we worked on to make this video, along with several others we made for previous videos, in the How to Adobe series on our Patreon, starting at $1 a month. Now, if you have any further questions, you can leave a comment below, and we'll answer it as soon as possible. The script for this video can be found on our Patreon. If you enjoyed this video and would like not only see them continue, but improve in their quality, consider supporting us on Patreon or Ko-Fi. Links in the description below.
See you next time.